Hello kids and welcome back to a new video. This is teacher Farah Zuraiti from Oxford Schools and I hope you're doing super well. Alright kids, today we will continue with grammar, adjectives, and part 2. We will explain more and practice more in pages 83, 86, and 92 in your reader's notebook. I hope you came prepared. You already have your reader's notebook, a pencil, eraser, and a sharpener if needed. Okay, so now let's practice. But before we start, please, if you want to practice on your own, you can pause the video, do it on your paper, do it on your book. You can practice on your own, and then you can replay the video and make sure you answered correctly. Now let's start. So, adjectives tell you how things look. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells how something looks. And how do you know how something looks? By using words that tell size, color, shape, or how many. Again, so adjectives can tell size, color, shape, or how many. So over here, how penguins look? They look short. Penguins look short. Alright, now let's practice. Write the adjective from the box that best fits each sentence. Use the clues in brackets. Over here you have clues that would tell you which adjective to use. If you're going to use the adjective round, it talks about shape. If you're going to use the adjective small, it talks about the size. If you're going to use the adjective for, it tells how many. And if you're going to use the adjective black, it tells you a color. So I see how many penguins on the ice? 4. I see 4 penguins on the ice. Because 4 tells you how many. The penguins stand in what circle? Which word tells you shape? Round, small, or black? Excellent, round circle. So round, the adjective round, it tells you shape. They are in which colors? White and black. Excellent. So black is the color, is the adjective that tells you the color of something. The baby penguin is in which size? Baby penguin. Do you think it's going to be big or small? Excellent, small. The baby penguin is small. Now let's move to page 86. Also, adjectives tell you how things taste and smell. Adjectives can tell how something tastes. Adjectives can also tell you how something smells. So, we have good tastes and bad tastes. We have good smells and bad smells. The ocean smells fishy. How does the ocean smell? Fishy. How did we describe the smell of the ocean? Fishy. The water tastes salty. How did we describe the water? Salty. How did we describe the taste of the water? Salty. All right. Find the adjective in each sentence. The adjective tells more about the underlined word. Write the adjective. So we know that adjectives are meant to describe nouns. We have nouns over here like fish, water, seafood, air, and squid. Now we need to know how did we describe each word. Okay, the penguins eat the tasty fish. How does the fish taste? For penguins? Tasty. So how did we describe fish? Tasty. Number 2, they drink the salty water. How did we describe the noun water? With salty. How does it taste? Salty. All right. The penguins like smelly seafood. How does seafood smell? Smelly. Excellent job. How did we describe seafood? Smelly. They smell the fresh air. How does the fresh air smell? Fresh. How does the air smell? Fresh. How did we describe the noun air with the adjective fresh? They love the taste of sweet squid. How does the squid taste? Sweet. All right. So the nouns are fish, water, seafood, air, and squid. The adjectives used to describe these nouns are tasty, salty, smelly, fresh, and sweet. Now the last page is how things feel and sound. So write the adjective from the box that best fits each sentence. Use the clues in brackets. Howling, icy, loud, and slippery. Howling, is it tell you about how things feel or sound? Sound, excellent. Icy, feel. Loud, tell you sound. Slippery, how things feel. Excellent. Penguins stand in the what wind? We have a clue here, sound. They stand in the howling wind. Excellent job. How does the wind sound? Howling. The father penguin has a what sound? Icy, loud, or slippery? Excellent, loud voice. Penguins swim in what oceans? Are they warm? Are they cold? Are they icy? How does it feel for them? Feel? Icy. They catch what fish with their beaks? Slippery, slippery fish with their beaks. Excellent job. All right, find the adjective in each sentence. Write the word that tells more about the underlined word. The underlined word again is a noun. So water is a noun, rocks, feathers, sounds. These are all nouns. Now we need to know how did we describe these nouns? Which adjectives did we use? So the penguins here splashing water. Splashing, splashing. This is how we described water, splashing water. They step on the pointy rocks. How did we describe the rocks? That they are pointy. Excellent job. Penguin checks have fluffy feathers. How do they feel? Fluffy. The penguins make whistling sounds. How does the penguin sound? Whistling. So how did we describe water? With splashing. How did we describe the noun rocks? With the adjective pointy. How did we describe the noun feathers? With the adjective fluffy. How did we describe the noun sounds? With the adjective whistling. Alright kids, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching.